The national debate over transgender rights is picking up momentum this week in state houses across the country. More than a dozen states have already enacted laws restricting gender-affirming care for minors, with more set to follow. Now, rejecting weeks of loud protests, Texas lawmakers voted to ban transgender medical care for minors. If signed into law, it would make Texas the largest state so far to approve bans on gender-affirming care. Now, in Florida, Republican Governor Ron DeSantis signed a bill Wednesday banning hormone treatments and surgery for people who are transgender under the age of 18.